¡Tenéis una puta ciudad encima de vosotros! ¿Qué hago en Dios? He want your blood in your eyes, huh? Chema! Let's go! Chema, adentro! We good, come on, man, we good. Sigue adentro! Alex, dentro! What is the problem now? The problem is our defense, the middle row, and our defense rebound. Carmelo! Andy! Yes! Andila! Help us! Defense rebound! Come on, guys! Now, maybe they are going to have the ball here with 14 seconds, okay? 14 seconds. That is the difference for the game, okay? See, be consistent, okay? And we are arriving to all the 3 points, okay? Without make fouls, okay? Maybe you make fouls because they beat you, okay? That could be, okay? But not because you arrive late to contest a shot. Hablar, escuchar y reaccionar. Triple solo, nos cuesta un puto triple. Tíos, calma. Calma con el juego de dribbling, cada vez ahí estrellándonos, tíos, calma. Queda mucho, paciencia.
Do you know how many fouls we scored in this quarter? 0 fouls. They are pushing you, and you're not able to spend 1 fucking foul? Where are you saving the fucking foul? Till the end of the game?
4 fucking players press, and you fucking here at 5 meters. What the fuck are you, Tavares? Which hand he will go? Scrub. So why you let him go left? Jesus fucking Christ, man.